Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make rice taste better. We'll start with simple steps that make a big difference. First, rinsing your rice thoroughly under cold water for about 30 seconds removes extra starch, leading to a much fluffier grain. Next, consider toasting your dry rice in a tablespoon of butter or oil for 2 to 3 minutes before adding liquid. This develops a wonderful nutty aroma. Finally, swap out plain water for chicken, vegetable, or beef broth to infuse your rice with rich, savory flavors from the start. Let's explore how aromatics can elevate your rice. Adding fresh herbs, such as 1 or 2 bay leaves or a sprig of fresh rosemary, during cooking imparts a delightful fragrance. For a brighter profile, a teaspoon of lemon or lime zest stirred in after cooking can add a refreshing zing. Don't forget the power of sautéed aromatics. Cooking a 1/4 cup of finely diced onion and 2 cloves of minced garlic in a tablespoon of oil before adding your rice creates a deeply savory base. Now, let's talk about fats and seasoning. Stirring in a tablespoon of butter or a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil after the rice is cooked adds a luxurious richness and glossy finish. Proper seasoning is key. Ensure you add at least 1/2 teaspoon of salt per cup of dry rice to enhance its natural taste. For a final touch, a squeeze of fresh lemon or lime juice, about 1 teaspoon, can brighten the flavors and prevent the rice from tasting flat, creating a perfectly balanced dish. Finally, let's get creative with mix-ins to transform your rice. After cooking, stir in a 1/4 cup of toasted slivered almonds or sesame seeds for a wonderful textural contrast and nutty flavor. Freshly chopped herbs like parsley, cilantro, or chives, about 2 tablespoons, add a burst of color and fresh taste. You can also incorporate cooked vegetables such as peas, corn, or diced carrots, or even a 1/2 cup of black beans to make your rice a more complete and flavorful side dish.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.